lovely cold eggnog. I certainly do, and that's why today I'm going to share with you my recipe for my homemade eggnog. Hi everyone, my name is Nicole. Thank you so much for watching my channel and this video, and I highly appreciate it if you decide to subscribe to my channel. So today I'm showing you my homemade eggnog recipe. This is a recipe I've been using for years and it never fails me. And with the holidays coming up, we have Thanksgiving around the corner and Christmas coming up soon. This is something special you can make for your family and friends. This is an easy recipe. I'm sure you're going to love it, and it's so much better than any store-bought eggnog. So without further ado, let me show you how I make this lovely, silky smooth eggnog. Thank you so much and have a great day. So start by separating 4 egg yolks, and I'm using the eggshell to help me do that. Then put the egg whites in the fridge for now and start beating the egg yolks. Then gradually add 1/3 cup of caster sugar and continue to beat the mixture until it turns lighter in color, just like you see here. Then in a medium-sized pot, combine 600 milliliters of milk with 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Stir and bring it to a boil. Now return to the egg yolk mixture and very slowly start adding the hot milk that you just boiled. Never do it the other way around because the eggs would actually turn into scrambled eggs. Then put it back into the pot and heat it up again until the mixture starts thickening up a little bit. It only takes a few minutes. Skip this step if you don't want an alcoholic version, but if you do, add 3 liquid ounces of bourbon, stir and put the mixture in a fridge to chill. Once the mixture is chilled, add the remaining egg whites into a bowl and whisk it. Gradually add 1 tablespoon of sugar and beat until stiff peaks form. Now transfer the egg whites into the chilled mixture. Whisk it in, and the eggnog is done. You can store the eggnog in the fridge and keep it for up to 1 week, but I never managed to test that. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoy.